Hi everyone, I just wanted to chat with you today about home buying. We have received a number of inquiries in the last several weeks from people who are thinking about whether now may be the right time to purchase a home. There's a lot of changes that people have had in the last several months with their home situations, whether it be working from home, kids home, doing school at home, and making it something that people are thinking about with making a change to accommodate a lot of these changes as well. In addition to that, you've probably heard in the last many months the market has been pretty crazy, a little bit more on the seller side due to the fact that there's a lot of buyers, a lot of people wanting to make those changes as compared to the very low inventory of people selling their homes. We do expect going into 2021 that the market is going to remain very strong. We're probably going to see a little bit of an uptick in the inventory available just because typically after the first of the year that does happen with people wanting to put their houses on the market after the holidays. So we could be in a much better situation for being able to find good homes for buyers as they're out there looking. In addition to this, you've probably heard that interest rates are at an all-time low. So what this means is that when you're looking at homes and looking at the prices of homes, just because of the interest rate, you could be looking at a much lower payment on the same price home because that interest rate does have a huge impact on your payment. So in today's situation, you may be much more able to come into a payment on a home that's much more feasible for you just because of that low interest rate. There are a variety of loan programs if you're in a situation where you may be worried about the cash that you'd be required to pay out of pocket. There are a variety of loan programs available with very low down payments that can help you cover your down payment. In addition to that, situations where we could help you request the seller to cover some of your closing costs to reduce your out-of-pocket on the closing costs as well. So there are very feasible ways that you can get into a home with very little out-of-pocket, or if you have money saved, that's always good as well. With the COVID and government adjustments that have been made on certain rules for taxes and things like that, right now there are some exceptions being made for withdrawals on 401ks, loans on 401ks, which some of our clients have used as well. Those changes are likely going to be running out at the end of 2020. So if you want to take a look at that before year end, make sure you get in contact with your 401k company or your investment company. So yeah, if it's something that you're thinking about, I would definitely recommend to chat with a realtor or a lender as early as possible. A lender can really give you some good insight into where your numbers are, what your credit score looks like, what sort of payment you'd be looking for and price range of house that you'd be looking for, in addition to whether they suggest you maybe pay off a little bit of debt, leave a little bit of debt. Sometimes things that you may think are good, such as paying off a bunch of debt, may actually ding your credit score in the short term. So it's always good to talk to a lender up front to kind of find out where your numbers are at and what you should be aiming for in the coming weeks and months to get you into the position to buy a house. So if you need any other information, lending, purchasing a home, prices, areas, feel free to contact us. If it's not something that we can answer, we can certainly get you in contact with a lender who can help you as well, and help you come up with a game plan for getting you into a house in 2021. So we'd be happy to help. Give us a call. Thanks so much. Have a great day.